Hello.
Hey, how's it going? This is Beeman. I have Jared from Subway on the line from Colorado Correctional Institution. That's Jared. Jared, say hi.
Inglewood. Yeah, hey, how's it going?
And Jared's
What's going
gonna
on?
well, Jared's gonna be getting out of prison soon, and he's gonna need some employment, and he's transitioning. We thought maybe if you would want to hire Princess Jarella Fogella.
No, unfortunately, we're not hiring at the time. We're slow as hell.
Well,
But
but
you know
it's for a spokesperson.
Yeah,
it's
he's-
Jared from Subway.
Yeah. But
Yeah,
he's
that's
transitioning,
something
so
you have
when
to talk to the owners for. We can't help you.
when she's out in a few
Especially if
years,
he's been in prison. Who wants to hire somebody as a spokesperson who's been in
I'm
prison?
transsexual. You can't deny me a job.
And he's also the most
Goodbye,
famous.
goodbye.
Wait,
No,
wait,
no,
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 come
no, no,
on.
no. You hang up.
But they were the most famous.
I like that guy.